How's it going? I'm Tom Henwood. I'm here at MLO Overland. Today we're going to take a look at the new AEV JL 2.5-inch Dualsport RT kit. This is the full kit. It just came out of the box. We're going to take a look at every little piece of it and let's check it out. So here we have the AEV JL 2.5-inch shocks. So this is the 6661 and we've got the 6678 rear shock here as well. You can see it's a beefy twin tube shock. They're using Bilstein shock valving and componentry. So these are the AEV springs that come with the JL 2.5 kit. It gives you a 2.5-inch lift via the spring rate. Have a triple progressive winding to them. So we have a nice tight winding at the top, and then down below here we have a long, softer spring rate at the bottom. So this is going to keep you from bottoming out toward the tighter progression of the springs. Also, if you're carrying heavier loads in the rear with these rear coils, these are going to give you a little bit of extra support in the mid-range when you have a load on the vehicle. And these also have the passenger side lean correction shims. So we have a rear and a front. The front has this little open piece here as well. The extended sway bar links, front and rear. We've got our fastener pack kit for the 2.5-inch Dualsport kit. These are the rear bump stop spacers and rear sway bar spacers. These are the front upper bump stop spacers and the smaller track bar bracket alignment puck. We have our rear track bar tower to extend the rear track bar, so the OE track bar can be used with this 2.5-inch lift. We also have the geometry correction brackets. So very beautifully powder coated. Considering all the nice sharp angles, they did a really good job of getting in there with a nice thick powder coat on these geometry correction brackets. We have our ProCal Snap. So that is going to plug in the cab of your vehicle. The ProCal is used to correct your speedometer when you're running larger wheel and tire combinations, like say 35s or 37s. And this is a little clip in for that. You also have this JL OE extension for the OE jack. So you can use your bottle jack and you have this extension. So if you're running 35s or 37s, something a little larger, you can use this. The jack base and spreader has this nice textured bottom to help keep it in place. Looks like you can even add pieces to this in order to make it even larger for say 37s or something larger. So thanks so much for taking a look at this new AEV JL 2.5-inch Dualsport RT kit. You can learn more about this. Give us a call at 844-656-7626 or email us at sales@mainlineoverland.com and learn more about how to use this kit on your JL vehicle.